I want to suck your blood.
Cut. That music wasn't scary enough. Come on.
This music is almost perfect.
Wait, I know a place we can go.
We're here. Come on. This place I've been telling you about. Allen, Oregon.
Hi, I'm Randy Bjorken. I'm the Advertising and Media Manager here at Allen Oregon Company. And we're very proud of our facilities here. We have a what we call a vertical manufacturing process. The wood comes into our place, enters the wood shop, and that's where the console pieces are cut out and shaped, CNC routed or mortised if they need to, and ready for building the organ.
My name is Eric Weller, and I am a cabinet maker here at Allen Oregon. We get material in the door. We work with our hands on various different types of machinery. We manufacture our own parts, and then we use those parts to build every Allen organ that goes out the door.
The process continues as the organs are sent to sanding, then they are stained in a finishing area. Keyboards and draw knobs are then custom fitted to the organ.
Afterwards, the heart of the organ is then made in the electronics department.
This complex process takes teamwork and skill to create perfection in Allen Oregon.
My name is Scott Roxbury. I am the production manager for Allen Integrated Assemblies. My job entails all the electronic products, supervising and managing our production. We manage all the circuit boards for Allen Oregon. What do I think is cool about manufacturing? Is the ability to take a bunch of parts, random parts, put it together and make something better. It's the creativity, the progression of that, and where it's going to go.
Once the electronics are finished, wiring harnesses are made and all the pieces are then assembled and put into the console. Lastly, the organs are tested to make sure they sound perfect and then shipped worldwide.
I wish we could rewind.
But we can. I'm the director. Rewind!
I want to suck your blood.
That music is perfect.